से, ओके, परेशान नहीं करेंगे आपको, ठीक है, डोंट वरी।
सर पहले से गर्मी है।
अरे देखो चेहरे के ऊपर कैसी खुशी आ गई इनके, एकदम से है, सारे सबके दांत निकल गए इनके। पेस्ट वेस्ट तो कर लिया करो, हाँ। सो ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, टुडे यू नो it is Saturday today, and as you know that what we do on Saturdays. So today we have a speaking session, and always on every Saturday we have speaking sessions. And as you know that we have the students of B20 as well as the students of B23, as the B23 batch is new batch. So I can't expect those students to speak on any topic, but they are not exempted. They will be given some other topic, and first I tell you the topic to the students of B20, and today your topic is the sacrifice of tree. You know very well. Very simple topic for you, and no one will try to cheat me, you know. So you have to act honestly. So today your topic is sacrificing tree. So you have to explain that topic in your own words. Okay, and now you know how to elaborate or explain the topics in your own language. And for the students of B23, and for the students of B23, their topic is, just give me a minute so that I can see the list of the topics of their speaking. So just give me a minute. And for the students of B23, your topic is uh, mm, your topic is, beta, you have to speak about your house. Have you spoken on that topic? रौनक बोल चुके हो क्या इस टॉपिक पे? माय हाउस पे नहीं बोला है आपने, है ना? नहीं बोला है, तो आज आपका टॉपिक है माय हाउस. दिस इज द टॉपिक फॉर B23, एंड फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ B20, योर टॉपिक इज सैक्रिफाइसिंग ट्री. हाउ डिड द ट्री सैक्रिफाइस his all the life from fruits to stump? And for Vivan, your topic is, you have to speak about you, your name, in which class do you study, like that. Okay, Vivan is the newest student, and give start giving your names in the message box. सभी लोग अपना अपना नाम मैसेज बॉक्स में लिख दें. B20 वाले, B23 वाले और विवान भी अपना नाम लिख दें. ओके, सो आई थिंक यू आर रेडी, एंड दिस इज अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट आई हैव got some names like Rakshit, Anjali, Anuj, and I hope that the other students. आप B23 वाले भी लिख सकते हैं अपना, जरूरी नहीं है कि B20 वाले बोल रहे तभी लिखें आप अपना नाम. आपको लगता है कि हम, आप भी लिख सकते हो बीच में अपना नाम. ओके, आप वेट मत करो कि जब ये बोल रहे तभी लिखें, और घबराओ मत, डरो मत बिल्कुल भी. सो ओके, नाउ others will listen to others carefully. So first of all I am calling Rakshit. Come on Rakshit. बाकी के
Yes,
सब
sir.
लोग ध्यान से सुनेंगे, कोई वो नहीं खोलेगा स्क्रीनशॉट, कोई नहीं निकालेगा, कुछ भी नहीं करेगा. समझ गए आप मेरी बात को? ध्यान से सुनेंगे आप, क्या बोला जा रहा है, क्या है, समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. यस, कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic that is the sacrifices of a tree. So, we know that a tree plays a very important role animal, in every animal's life or in every human's life, because animals and humans get most of the things from trees, from fruits to vegetables, from oxygen to wood. Many things we get from trees. So, and the day before yesterday, sir gave us a passage about the sacrifices of a tree. That was a story, but that story tells us the sacrifice of a tree, that a tree the tree in its whole life sacrifices many things to give, to provide essential items to the humans and animals. Like the story starts when a boy was playing under the shadow of the tree, and one day the boy gets tired of playing and sat by leaning at the trunk of the tree, and was saying that that I am hungry and I need to eat something to get rid from tiredness. So the tree uh, listened, that means heard that, and then he told the boy that you can pick fruits from my branches and can eat them and can get energy. So the boy took some fruits from the tree and ate them, and then the story follows the follows and now the child who was the boy who was a child at who was a child before, now grew up and has become a man. So he was and the man and at this stage the man was about to marry someone. So but he did not have any house to stay. So then he goes to the tree, and with a sad with a sad face, having a dejection that he did not have a house. So the tree asked that why are you sad? So the man said that he is going to marry and he does not have any house. So the tree told that you can cut out my trunk and can build a house for yourself. And so the man did so, and made a house by the stem and branches of the tree. And then from the branches of the tree, not by the stem. And then and next time uh, now the man has got into a profession which was that is the profession of a sailor. And he used to work under under a ship owner. And so the ship owner told him that if you want to survive and earn money, you have to have a boat of yourself. So then the man went to the tree with a leaden face. And because he did not like to ask for help every time to the tree, but he had to ask for help. So then he went to the tree. Then the tree again asked that what happened, why are you sad? So the man said that now I am a sailor, and my owner and my boss told me this and this. So I want to make a ship, but I don't know how to make a ship. Or you can say a ship means a small boat. So the tree told that cut out my stem and branches and again build a ship for yourself to survive. Then the man did so. And now the time passes, and now the man who was before a boy, and who was who was a man, now has become an old man. So now and now he needed a sticker to go from one place to another. So again he went to the and it was the time of winter, and again he went to the tree with trembling on his
Shabash.
foot, and trembling on his foot. And now the tree asked now the tree told that you will get sick of the coldness. So you should you should cut the stamp of me and should make a firewood of it and should get warmth. So the man did so, and the tree burnt burnt like a firewood with a soft humming tune. So this was the story, and in this story we know that the tree sacrificed its life 4 times for a man
Hmm.
who needed its help. And this story is very relatable to the real life, humans and animals rely very much on trees, and they get many things from trees, like medicines, wood, fruits, vegetables, and different things. And also and trees do not and trees provide and trees do not ask anything from humans. And trees help humans without any gain. And uh, uh, so and uh, so this is the story about the sacrifices of a tree. And at other place it is also that trees, and we know that trees help humans and animals, and it is so on the other hand it is also the responsibility of us, means humans, to look after the trees, so that the trees grew up healthy. The trees grew up healthier and can provide a healthy environment to everyone. That's it, sir.
Very good, Shabash. Nice explanation, beta. Very good. Keep it up. Come on, Anjali.
सर मेरा नाम है पहले
किसका? अरे आजा आजा
मेरा गौरव
ओके
का
ओके सॉरी बेटा आजा आजा बेटा.
सर
Yes, come on, Gaurav.
so hello everyone, I am Gaurav and today's topic is the sacrificing tree.
हाँ ध्यान से बोलना थोड़ा अच्छे से, पिछली बार की तरह.
Sacrificing tree.
हाँ.
हाँ sir. So once there was a tree, and one day he saw a boy sitting next to him. He saw that the boy was hungry, so he asked him to get one of his fruits and eat them. So the boy picked one apple or one fruit and ate that. And after some days, uh, he ate all of his fruits. But then, after some days or months, the boy was now a young man, and he had to marry, and he didn't have a house. So the tree gave him his branches to make a house. Then he made a house and got married, and then he got then many years passed. He was now a sailor, and his captain was very cruel. And to survive, he had to make a ship, but he didn't have one. So the tree gave the young man his trunk to make a ship for him to survive. Then he made a ship, and then he made a ship and survived and got his and improved in his job. But then after some time, the tree sacrificed everything to that one boy. His fruits, his branches, his trunks, and many more. And the tree has no longer didn't have anything left now to give that boy. But the boy lived a good life. But the tree sacrificed himself. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Itself, not himself. Okay, very nice. शाबाश बेटा. ऐसे ही नीचे मत जाया करो कभी भी, हमेशा ऊपर ही आना है. समझ गए ना? जहां पहुंच चुके हो वहां से ऊपर ही जाना है, नीचे की तरफ नहीं जाना है कभी भी. ओके. यस अंजा. ये हमारी
Yes,
अंजा।
sir.
हाँ अंजा।
So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today's topic is
सो गई क्या? ये डिस्कनेक्ट हो गई है. So okay, now I am calling Anuj. Come on, Anuj. And Anjali will speak after Anuj, if available. Just अच्छा, आ गई क्या? नहीं है.
sacrifice. So,
हाँ बोल.
2 मिनट रुको.
अच्छा तू 2 मिनट रुक जा, अभी मैं अनुज को बुलवा
Yes,
लेता
sir.
हूँ जब तक. हाँ
Tree
बोल.
sacrifice.
हाँ बोल.
So, a long time ago, there was a boy. He was almost 10 or 12 years.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ बोल बेटा. कैमरा चालू कर ले तेरा सुगली.
Yes, sir. So, after a long time ago, there was
तो इसको ठीक करके आ जब तक, है ना. मैं अनुज को बुलवाता हूँ. ठीक कर इसको. गौरव की तो सही आवाज आ रही थी, तेरे आते ही क्या हो गया? अनुज, अनुज, ये भग गया दिखता है. क्या करे यार इनका यार. हाँ अन्ना.
he was too much hungry.
बेटा
So
तुम्हारी
the
आवाज
tree
क्लियर
said,
नहीं आ रही है.
"Pick
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
fruits and eat them.
अंजू आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है. इसको ठीक करके आओ, मैं जब तक अन्ना को बुलवाता हूँ.
Pick up the fruits and ate them. After that, he
ओ
picked
सुनी नहीं रही.
all the fruits from the tree.
बोल.
Then, after
बेटा तुम्हारी कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉपर नहीं है. ठीक करके आ जाओ इसको, मैं जब तक किसी और को बुलवाता हूँ.
yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा. यस. अनुज नहीं है. नहीं है. अन्नो. अन्नू भी नहीं है. ओके. सिमरन. आ गई क्या अंजलि? आजा बेटा आजा, तू ही आजा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
So, hello everyone. I'm Anjali Meena and my today's topic is sacrifice of a tree. So, the long time ago, there was a boy. He was so hungry, so he sat under a tree. The tree said, "Pick up some fruits and ate them." So he ate them, and after that day, he picked up all the fruits. So many years after so many years before his marriage, he was sitting under the tree and
was sitting.
he was having a tension of a house. So the tree said, "Cut my trunk and make a house." So he immediately pick up the tools and make the house. After that day, after it, he become a sailor.
Became. Use past tense.
Sailor. Yes, sir. He became a sailor. Sailor, and he said, "I want a ship because my owner, the boss, is so cruel." So he said, "Take my list of boats and make a ship for you." He immediately work also, and immediately work and daily start a work, and he made a ship for him. After a so much long time, the young man, the young boy became old man, and after that, the tree said, "I'm not finished. Now you have to just take the rest of the wood or stem and burn it so you can get some warmth." So he done that, and he done that. Now we understand a tree sacrifice a whole life for a person. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. हाँ. हाँ आ जा। ओके आ जा, मेरा ध्यान नहीं पड़ा उधर, तो पहले ही आ गई थी ना। आजा आजा आजा, कर एक बार ट्राई कर, मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ तेरे को। यस नाउ अनुज कहाँ है? अनुज अनुज नहीं है, इसकी कुटाई करनी पड़ेगी। यस अनु।
सर
हाँ
सर मैं कट कर दूं क्लास क्योंकि हम पूरे टाइम फिर कार में रहेंगे।
अच्छा ठीक है। यस कम ऑन अन्ना।
Yes, sir. So hello everyone. Now, today I am telling about a story what sir has explained us yesterday. So as you know, uh, 400 years ago, uh, 400 years ago, mm, uh, many big trees are there.
वर देर आएगा ना जब आप 400 साल पहले की बात कर रहे हो, तो फोकस करो थोड़ा।
Yes, sir. Were there. The trees began to move across homes in the mountains.
Do you know what is the topic of today?
Yes, sir.
Just tell me.
Sir, what do you have?
Sacrifice of tree.
अच्छा sir.
हाँ
सर मेरे को लगा वो है।
नहीं तो लगना नहीं चाहिए था ना आपको, 2-3 लोग तो बोल चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। चलो बोलो आप फटाफट से।
So today's our topic is sacrificing of tree. As you know that trees is a very
बेटा थोड़ा वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो। ट्रीज आर आएगा ना, इस कैसे आएगा?
okay sir. Trees are very useful thing for us. They are very they are very सर पुरानी को क्या बोलूं?
ओल्ड।
ओल्ड।
फोकस करो बेटा। हाँ बेटा।
ओल्ड मेमोरी ऑफ आवर सर पूर्वज को क्या बोलते हैं?
एंसेस्टर्स।
ancestors and etc. From tree are very memories are being attached. As you know that many fruits we eat, mango, apple, every fruit, every vegetable come from tree. So, as you know that we the tree sacrifice very much. We cut the trees for our wooden furnitures, chairs, for our doors and etc. And trees gave us free oxygen, a supply of free oxygen.
टॉपिक पे आ जाओ टॉपिक पे।
And many things.
टॉपिक पे आ जाओ। अब थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ और सुनो। अब थोड़ा सुना भी नहीं आपने, 2-3 लोगों ने बोला।
Okay, sir.
Today's topic is not trees, but the topic is the passage that you have read about a little boy and tree. Do you remember?
Before it.
अब सुनो आप जरा ध्यान से, दूसरों को ध्यान से।
Okay, sir.
हाँ सिमरन।
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I'm Simran, and today's my topic is the sacrifice of tree.
कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है इसकी भी। सिमरन कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है तुम्हारी अच्छे से, आवाज नहीं आ रही तुम्हारी प्रॉपर।
सही रहेगी। सर ये क्या?
बोलो बोलो बोलो, मुझे पता चलेगा। बोलो।
About the fire
हाँ
and
आ जा।
its sacrifice.
सिमरन आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, बहुत कम आ रही है आवाज तुम्हारी। ठीक करो बेटा कनेक्टिविटी अपनी।
सर ऐसे।
हम मैं और किसी को बुला रहा
सर
हूँ।
ये तो ऐसे ही आएगी।
तो फिर कोई फायदा ही नहीं होगा ना बेटा, आवाज हम तक तो आएगी नहीं। ठीक करने की कोशिश करो, थोड़ा सा अपनी लोकेशन बदलो, है ना।
Okay, sir.
ट्राई टू चेंज योर
Change
लोकेशन।
करके अपनी
हाँ बेटा, कोशिश कर एक बार थोड़ा सा। यस, कम ऑन खुशी।
यस सर। सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रही है, बोल बेटा।
Okay. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khush Gujar. I'm telling about uh, at sacrifice of tree.
बेटा अन्नू ध्यान से सुनना बेटा।
You know very well uh, the trees are very important for us. It gives many things, and it always gives something and other things, and like wood and medicines, oxygens, shadow in summer, and fruits, vegetable, etc. So I want to tell a story. This story explains the sacrifice of tree. There was a boy. He played under a big tree every day. One day, he was hungry and he cried.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा। हाँ बोलो, ऐसे बोलो। हाँ,
I am hungry. The big tree was kind.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। फोकस कर रहे हो तो अच्छा बोलोगे। हाँ।
The tree said, "What happens?"
Very good. हाँ।
He said, "I am hungry." So the tree said, "Eat my fruits." And after it, the boy ate fruits and he
Went away.
went away. Yes, sir. Many years passed, and the
Very good, बहुत
boy
अच्छा बोल रहे हो, आ जाओ।
the boy became
बहुत बढ़िया।
elder.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ।
Yes, sir. And he came again to tree, and he looked sad and hopeless. The tree said, "What happens?" And he said, the next week, my wedding is next week, but I have no house for living.
शाबाश, आज बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, ऐसे बोला कर सुगली सी। हाँ।
Yes, sir. And
फोकस चाहिए बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए बेटा, सब
yes,
कुछ आता
sir.
है तुम्हारे को। हम बोलो।
The tree said again, "Cut my branches and build your house."
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। हाँ।
So the boy cut its branches and make his house, and he went away. And sometimes boy came again, and he looked sad, and he said that but now the boy was sailor. The boy said, but that ki my honor was crew, and I couldn't ahead in my job. So the boy said, "I need to a boat." The tree said again, cut my woods, build your boat."
Hmm.
The boy again cut the woods and build his boat,
Hmm.
and after it he went away.
Hmm.
After many times, the boy
After much time. बोलो बोलो
after
बोलते रहो, रिकॉर्डिंग में सुनना. हाँ.
the boy was uh, old
Hmm.
person, and he again came to the tree, but he sat 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 on stump. टूट को स्टम्प ये
Stump.
बोलेंगे,
Stump. हाँ.
on stumps, and again said, I want to burn in my life. I want to burn in my life. And tree again.
I want
Tree
to get warmth.
means
गर्मी चाहिए मुझे. I want to
yes,
burn in my life का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? मैं जिंदगी में जलाना चाहता हूँ. किसको?
ये भी बात, yes
आप
sir.
आगे बढ़ जाओ, लोग अपने आप ही जलने लग जाएंगे, आपसे धुआं निकलने लग जाएगा. आगे बोलो.
So for boys, the tree burns our our lives for sacrifice for boys. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. क्या खाया था आज?
सर कुछ नहीं.
कुछ मत खाया कर तू, जब कुछ नहीं खाती है तो अच्छा बोलती है.
सर आज थोड़ा फोकस भी था.
तो फोकस था तो हमेशा क्यों नहीं रखती है फोकस? बाकी दिन कहाँ चला जाता है फोकस? बाजार से ले आ 2-4-5 किलो फोकस बोरी भर के. दुकान बता दे मेरे को कहीं मिलता हो फोकस, तो मैं खरीद के ला के दे दूं बेटा तेरे को.
सर ऐसे आता है, हमेशा गलतियां भी समझ में आ जाती है. चलिए बात समझ में आती है 1 मिनट बाद.
फोकस डेवलप करो अपना. फोकस सांसों पे ध्यान लगाया करो अपना. समझ गए? आती जाती हुई सांसों को देखा करो रोजाना. 10 मिनट प्राणायाम किया करो. आप करते हो?
नहीं
किया करो. फोकस बहुत पावरफुल वेपन है, ध्यान रखना. हाँ चलिए, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश की आपने. रिकॉर्डिंग जरूर सुनना अपने आप. ठीक है, सुना करो. लाइक वाइक करो मत करो, दैट इज नॉट मैटर फॉर मी. ठीक है ना, पर सुना जरूर करो आप. वो इसलिए डालता हूँ मैं वहाँ पे. 1000 से ज्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग हो गई उसके ऊपर. ओके, पैसा कमाने के लिए नहीं चलाता हूँ वो चैनल में, आप लोगों के इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए चलाता हूँ. अनुज तू कुटेगा मेरे से. आज कहाँ गया था रे?
सर मंडी चला गया था.
कौन सी मंडी चला गया था?
सर ये सब्जी मंडी.
क्यों?
और फ्रूट्स लाने थे ना.
तो बाद में ले आता, पहले ले आता. यही टाइम मिलता है फ्रूट्स लाने का तेरे को? हम चिल्ला रहे हैं पागलों की तरह. अभी थाने में जाने वाला था तेरी रिपोर्ट करवाने. भैया छोरा खो गया है हमारा, ढूंढ के लाओ. चल बोल.
Yes, sir. So, in every step of life.
आवाज कहाँ गई तेरी? मंडी में छोड़े आया क्या?
सर आ तो रही है.
आ तो रही है, हमको तो नहीं आ रही ना. आ तो रही है. वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ अपने फोन का.
ओके सर.
कम करके बैठे रहेंगे, फिर हम जब कहेंगे जब बढ़ाएंगे. बोलो.
So at every step of our life and on earth, it is always sacrifice for humans, and humans do, because a farmer can make grains from the plants or from the trees, and like every step, trees always provide us something that we always need.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोलता है यार. वेरी गुड यार. हाँ मजा आता है तेरे को सुनता हूँ तो. हाँ.
So one of the reason which is it is a blessing for us that trees provide us oxygen first of all,
अच्छा.
and then the other things. Because as a human born, first of all he just exhales, breathe, or he just breathes. So the breathe comes from the nature and trees. So it's a blessing for us, and then we come to our food. Uh, trees is also called the symbol of physical and mental health.
Do you know the topic
Because
of today?
yes, sir.
क्या है?
The sacrifice of tree.
अच्छा बोलो.
Okay, sir. सर क्यों?
अभी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मेरे को. तू बोल, आगे बोल, समझने की कोशिश करूंगा.
ठीक. सर बाकी लोगों ने क्या बोला मैंने सुना ही नहीं.
तो अब बाद में बोलना. तो तूने सुना नहीं, तूने टॉपिक भी नहीं सुना, मंडी में चला गया फ्रूट्स लेने. हैं? शुगला सा. कम ऑन लक्ष्मी, अब सुन लेना ध्यान से, जिन लोगों ने नहीं सुना.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today my topic is the sacrificing of trees. As you know that there was a small boy who sat under a big tree, and he was hungry, and the tree said, the tree bent down its branches to provide fruits to the children, to the small boy,
शाबाश यार,
and
वेरी गुड यार बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
and the small boy ate fruits, and some time ago the boy
Sometime
again
ago,
came
after some
there.
time.
Yes, sir. The boy again came there, and he was disappointed, and he was
Disappointed.
disappointed,
हाँ.
and he wanted to he needed a house because he was getting married
अरे बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
next month, and the tree said him, cut my branches and make a house,
मैक नहीं,
and
मेक.
make a house,
मेक.
and make yes, sir, make a house, and the boy cut the branches and make a house, and many years passed, and the boy grew up, and he was a young person, and that time he was a sailor, and he was tired from his honor, because his honor was very cruel, and he needed his own ship,
ओवन नहीं
and
होता बेटा, ऑन.
on ship, and he again went to the tree, and said it his problems, and the tree again helped him to providing
By
his,
providing.
by providing its trunk to make a ship,
बहुत बढ़िया.
and after that he worked hard, and many year passed, and again the young boy became a older person, and he again sat under the tall tree, and described about his problem to the tree, and again
हर्ष
again
सुनो ध्यान से अब, और अनुज
again
आप
the
सुन लो ध्यान से. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
old man said him, I wanted to warm myself, and again the tree said again the tree said him to burn my stomach,
It's system.
and
सुनना ध्यान से,
stomach,
पता चल जाए गलतियां.
and the old man sat on the tree's stump, and
Stump.
both are both are died, both were died, and the sacrificing of tree is very important for a boy because because the tree sacrificed itself for a boy, and trees are very important for us because they give us many things. So we should respect all type of trees. That's it, sir.
आज फोकस थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया तेरा.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा ध्यान दे. कोई बात नहीं. Yes. Anuj, are you ready now?
But
Are you ready?
after, no sir, after another.
Okay. एक मिनट. हाँ अनु.
Yes,
Come
I
on.
want to is sacrificing of tree. As you know, tree sacrifice for us very much. So once upon a time, there was a hungry kid, and he started crying uh, uh, beside a tall tree. The tall tree asks, "Why you are crying? Why you are crying? You are crying." The the kid answered that I am hungry. That's why I am crying. So the tall tree said that you can eat my fruits and full your term. The kid said okay, and after some years, the kid became a elder person.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे फोकस कर करके बोल रहा.
He go beside the tall tree and said that the tall tree asks that why you are roaming here and there. He answered that I did not have a house, and I am to be married next month. The tree asks that you can cut my branches and make your house. Then he cut the branches of the tall tree and make his home. And after a long time he सर वापस को क्या बोलूं? Again came there and said to the tall tree, and said to the tall tree, my owner was very cruel and he निकालने को क्या बोलते हैं?
He fired me.
He fired me from the job. And he said again that I want a boat. The tree said, you can cut my branches and take a boat. मतलब make a boat. He do what the tree said.
Did what
the tree said. And after too much time, when he is a old person, he was a old person.
An old person, beta. An old person.
He again came there.
ऐसे ध्यान रख, बस थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखेगी तो सही हो जाएगा.
Came there and said to tree that I want warmth
Hmm.
in this cold.
Hmm.
Then the tree said, cut my branches
Hmm.
and burn them.
शाबाश. फोकस कर बेटा, फोकस के अलावा कोई कमी नहीं है बस. हाँ.
Burn them.
Hmm.
Then he do what he said.
Hmm.
Sir, बस
बेटा फोकस किया कर थोड़ा सा. एक आजकल तू थोड़ी सी लापरवाह हो रही है. हैं?
okay sir.
ध्यान से सुनती नहीं है ना, टॉपिक सुनती है. एग्जाम में ऐसे कैसे चलेगा तू बता मेरे को. इतनी इंटेलिजेंट लड़की है तू, और तेरी केयरलेसनेस तेरा को सत्यानाश करके रख देगी तेरा. बेटा
Yes
थोड़ा
sir.
सा ठीक करो अपने आप को. इंग्लिश को नहीं, अपने आप को ठीक करो थोड़ा सा ना बेटा. अपनी चीजों को ठीक करो थोड़ा सा. अपने अटेंशन को बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा. अपना कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाओ थोड़ा सा. अपना फोकस बढ़ाओ बेटा.
Okay sir.
बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो, लेकिन लापरवाह हो रहे हो आजकल आप. थोड़ा ठीक करो बेटा अपने आप को, है ना. हाँ, ट्राई टू बी द बेस्ट. यस अनुज, आर यू रेडी नाउ?
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arjun. Today the topic is the sacrifice of tree at every step. So, you know that it's about a boy or it's about a person which was once a boy, then grew up and became a sailor. So this is a story of a boy when one day a boy was sitting under a tree, was frustrated, cried, was frustrated, and he was not happy. So uh, then he then he like then he hugged the tree and said, I am hungry. And then how can and then it's not the reality that a tree speaks, but it's a fiction story, I think.
Yes,
and
right.
you can understand the emotions and feelings only. So the tree answered. So it answered as bending its one of a branch of fruits, and then the boy got the fruits and was happy. So again, then the years passed away. He again came, and the tree asked, "What happened to you?" So the boy, who was an adult that time, again he complained that I have grown up and you have given me so much to eat, and now it's about the days of my wedding, and I don't have any shelter to live. So what to do? So he just said, and again the tree said that cut my trunk, or like cut me and build yourself a house to live. So he obviously did it, and then years again passed away some, and then he was a seller then, and then he again came to the tree, and then again he complained about his captain, or whatever his like guide was. So he complained that my captain rebuked me, and he is not so happy with me. So I need to have a ship now. So the tree again helped him by giving him woods, or whatever he needs to make a ship that the tree could give ever. So then he took it peacefully, and he made his ship. And then the life was good for him. But then again, he once came to the tree and sat there, and by frustration or whatever, that he was not fulfilled, he was not satisfied. he again what was he felt so cold that even even he again, like we can say that whenever he was he was borrowed or he was frustrated, he came to a tree, and a tree would never
दा
would
लगेगा
never.
ना, बार बार एक ही तो पेड़ है, वो नया पेड़ आ गया क्या?
Okay, sir.
तो फिर दा आर्टिकल
So
का
the
मतलब क्या
tree,
हुआ? दा का मतलब ही क्या हुआ फिर? हाँ बोलो.
so the tree would never said him no. He again the tree always helped him. So he again came to feeling cold, and then he said that I'm suffering from cold or whatever. So then he again the tree again answered him by saying that fire me or fire on me, whatever it is. So then he again helped him by giving him warm air or warmth. So we can say that in every step, if we are emotionally and if we are emotionally uh, be if we are emotionally being with someone, so even the trees always try to help us. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. और जो कभी भी आप क्लास में एब्सेंट रहो ना, जो स्क्रीनशॉट पे जो पैसेज आते हैं उनको जरूर पढ़ा करो एक बार.
Yes, sir.
समझ गए ना? हाँ.
सर मुझे लगा आज जनरल में बात कर रहे होंगे.
आप लगा तो कभी मत करो अपने आप को. यहाँ तो हमें पता नहीं होता आज किस बारे में बात करेंगे. हम तुम्हें पता है कुछ भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं होता है. हमारे पता ही नहीं होता हमें क्या करवाने वाले हैं हम. इसलिए पढ़ा करो जरूर आप वो हो चाहे नहीं हो, पर वो जो पैसेज पढ़ा हुआ है उसको एक बार जरूर पढ़ा करो बेटा. आदत डालो थोड़ी सी, है ना? हाँ बेटा. यस, कम ऑन नाउ सिमरन.
यस सर, मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
बिल्कुल क्लियर आ रही है बेटा. यहीं बैठा कर, जहाँ बैठी हुई है भी. आ जा बेटा.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Hey everyone, I am Simran, and today I am speaking about the sacrifice of tree. You know, the always tree sacrifice for us, but that in the passage it sacrifice for a little boy.
बहुत बढ़िया. फोकस कर ले बस और थोड़ा सा. हाँ.
Okay, sir. And one day a little boy who always play with the shadow of tree.
In the shadow of tree. हाँ.
Okay, sir. And he when he was sad, he came he came with tree, नहीं सर, पास में आने से to the tree. And one day he was very, the boy was very hungry. So he was crying, and that time the tree listened his crying. He asked the boy, what happened with him? What happened with you? That time the boy said, I am so hungry, so that's why I am crying.
Very good.
So the tree gives some fruits, and when in next time he was in next trouble, and when when his marriage when his marriage came nearby, when he came to tree, and that time that he was very he had dejection, and the tree asked again what happened. When the boy said, I'm getting married, so I had not any house. So what should I do when the tree give its branches uh, uh, for for building a house? When um, when he took branches and he immediately built a new house. And next time when he want to survive and he want to made a ship for the surviving. When he came again to tree and uh, he he sat there for his remorse face for with his sad face, and he said to the tree, uh, my owner was very cruel, so that's why I didn't work under the my owner. I want I want my own ship. So the tree again offered his trunk his trunk, and when the boy who become man, and who made a new ship, and after a long time he came there again, and he became an old man, and when he again said the trees uh, whatever सर बचा हुआ क्या बोलेंगे whatever remaining, huh? Whatever remaining whatever remained there, that ask what happened again with you when the old man said, I had oh, cold. uh, I mean, he was old, became old, so that's why uh, he didn't सर सहने को क्या बोलेंगे he didn't bear any weather, so that time the season of winter, so it was winter, so he was he had cold wheat, so uh, for 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 the warm his hands, um, he he want a he want some woods, so the tree, uh, I mean the stump, said again, you should burn my wood, and that time the old man burned that wood, and the tree all time sacrifice for the boy, and he 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 all time help with the boy in when he was any trouble, and the tree always do whatever he gives uh, he gives to happy the boy,
Make the boy happy.
and became the boy happy, and all time his kindness, uh, that boy looked, and the tree, not only the tree but also the nature all time gives a lot of things to us, but the man didn't sacrifice for the nature, but uh, we should respect the all that things, whatever whatever gives the nature to us, and we should nowadays we should grow uh, trees. That's it, sir.
Yes, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Ed, and today's our topic is about uh, the child and the tree. So as well as that, yesterday, yeah, we learned topic, and once upon a time there was a child, and he playing in the shade of the tree, and one day he cried under the tree, and then the tree said the child, what happened? So the child said that I am hungry. So then the tree said that you add fruits and
You can eat my fruits.
okay, sir, you can eat my you can eat my fruits. uh, then the boy climbed on the tree, and he eat at his fruits. Uh, After some years, he came back again of the tree, and yeah, to the tree, and then he sit here there, and then this tree said that what happened now. So then the young man said that uh, after after one week my marriage, and I have not any living place to, so so I so that then the tree said that you cut you can cut my branches to make your oven house, and then the young man cut the tree branches. After the after after some years, he became a sailor, and then he said the tree, what happened now? So then the sailor said that my captain is cruel, and I want to my oven my my oven boat, and then the tree said that you can cut my trunk, and then you make a boat. So then the sailor cut the trunk of that tree, and then the tree became uh, a stump. After some years, that same boy, sorry, that same sailor became an old man, and then and on that time some cold winds will be was started, and then the old man said, the stump, I my body was so cold, and so then the stump said that you can burn me and get and provide warmer to your body. And then the old man burned the stump, and then he get warmed. And the moral of the story is, tree if tree can do anything for us, and tree gives so many things to us, so we should not cut the trees, and we use their dead products, and then we grow other trees. Yes, that's it.
Okay, very good. ठीक है. Now, I think now we have the students of B23, and first of all, I am calling Kajal. The topic of B23 is my house. यानी कि you have to tell about your house. Come on, Kajal, आजा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Daima. I study in Naman classes. Today is my topic, my house. My house's name is Jayashree. There is 4 big rooms in my house. There are 2 big kitchens in my house. There are 2 big halls in my house. There are 2 big trees in front of my house. There is a big library behind my house. Members live in my house. I feel fully safe and secure in my house. The head of my house is Mr. Ram Sahib Verma. All family members remain together.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. ऐसे बोल. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है. Very good. शाबाश, कोशिश करो बेटा.
All family members get up at 6 a.m. Most of the family members uses mobile phone. Most of the family members watches TV. All family members celebrated festivals together.
शाबाश, शाबाश, शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ रहा है. Very good बेटा. हाँ.
My house is big. The color of my house are light green and grey. There are 2 bikes in my house. There are 2 big shops in my house. My all family members' behavior and nature are good. All family members eat food together. All family members respect each other. My house neat and clean. I am proud of my house. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. ऐसे देख फ्लो आने लग गया तेरे बोलने में, है ना? हाँ, सुनना जरूर. अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग और इम्प्रूव करेगी. Yes, come on, Arushi.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Arushi Meena. I read in 7th class. Today's my topic, my house. My house is very beautiful and big and beautiful. I live in my house with my family. My house has 5 floors and a roof. There are many rooms in my house. There are 6 ACs and fans in my house. There are big temple in my house. There is a park near my house. The park is clean and beautiful. I enjoy spending time with my family. My house is always clean and arranged. I study, read books, and play games in my house. We watch TV in my house. There are some plants in my house. I love my house very much. I feel safe and comfortable in my house. My house, it has many rooms, a large living room. There are a kitchen and bathrooms. There are balcony in my house.
There is a balcony in my house. Focus करो थोड़ा. हाँ बेटा बोल बेटा.
I also like to spend time on the roof of my house. My house color is white and bright. There are dining room.
There is है ना बेटा ध्यान रखा कर subject singular है plural. इनके नाम लिखो अपना. हाँ बोल बेटा बोल.
There are many beds in my room, in my house.
हाँ very good very good. Focus करो बस.
It is the place where I feel safe and happy.
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया very good. ऐसे बोला करो focus कर करके हाँ.
My house is the best place for me. I am proud of it. There are 4 floors in my house. There are many members in my house. I am proud of my house. That's it, sir.
शाबाश very good बेटा. ऐसे बोला करो बस. फ्लो आने लग गया तुम लोगों का भी अब B23 वालों का. Very good. रौनक कम ऑन बेटा आ जा बेटा. जिसने नाम नहीं लिखा नाम लिखो अपना फटाफट से. बस एक दो स्टूडेंट और बाकी है बस होने वाली क्लास. हाँ बेटा.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ronak. I am a student of Ramban English Intensive Classes. Today, I am speaking about my house. My house is beautiful. It is place where I live with my family. There are 50 members in my family. The head of Mrs. Devi. There are 7 rooms in my house. My mother cooks food in the kitchen. We watch TV and study in the living room. There is a tulsi plant in my house. My mother worships the tulsi plant There is a four cooler. There are four coolers and my my house keeps safe us from winter, rain, summer. There is a grocery store in front of my house. There is a metro in front of my house. My house is white. My house is very important because here I share my feelings with my family. That's it,
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshada. Today, I'm going to tell you about the sacrifice of a tree. It's a story. It's a fictional story about a boy and a tree. So in this story, a boy used to sit there under a tree in his garden, and under that tree he used to do all his activities which he can do outside. Like if he wanted to read, then he came outside under the shadow of the tree and read many different books, which gave him pleasure, and it created a good bond the between the boy and the tree. So once the boy was very sad. At one day the boy was very sad, and when he sat under the tree felt it that he is not feeling good. So he asked him about his sadness. Then he said that today there is no one at my home. I am feeling hungry. So the tree said that you can eat my fruits, and he dropped one of its fruit from its branch, and the boy ate it and became happy. After the boy grew up, one day one day again he sat under the tree and he was very sad. Then when the tree asked him, he said that I am about to get married and I have no home to live with my wife. So the tree said, you can take my woods and make a good house for you and your bride. Then the boy, then the grown up boy became happy and took some hard branches of the tree and made a good house for himself. Then after some years he got a job of a pirate, and he wanted to have had he wanted to had his own ship. So he was thinking about it under the tree only. Then the tree asked him about his thought. Then the tree helped him by giving his trees, by giving his branches, and in this way he again in this way the tree again helped the boy. And when the boy when the boy grew old, means about 70 years, then so what was the end of the story? This is end भूल गया.
The tree helped him by giving its stump
हाँ
can get warmth.
Yes, yes. And one day the old man was very feeling very hot, so he feeling very cold. So the tree said him that you can take my stem and burn it and get warmness. So the old man did the same, and took the and took the stem of the tree and burned it and got a warmth in the cold. So the story wants to tell us that the trees helps us in many ways. It's a story, but in real life also the trees helps us by giving a lot of things, like 50 to 60% of our daily uses are fulfilled by the trees, and but the selfish humans are cutting them by for their more benefit, and we should understand the importance of trees and save them. That's it.
Very good. Yes, come on, Aditya.
Yes, my house name is This Alkapuri Multiply Scheme. My house is very big. My house is very beautiful. It is a place where I live with my family.
Very good. बोलते जाओ.
My house has 4 rooms, a living room, a kitchen, and 2 bedrooms.
Shabash. Very good.
We keep our house clean and tight. There are 3 floors in my house. There are 1 temple in my house.
Is. बोलो.
My house has a big boundary all around it.
Very good.
We have 4 cooler and 4 AC in my house. My house color is green. There are 4 beds in my house. We watch TV and play games in the living room.
Very good. Very good. ऐसे बोल. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है.
There we enjoy the fresh air and the views of the street. There is a 2 balcony in my house.
ये क्यों लगा रहा है? There are 2 balconies in my house.
We are proud of my house. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. चिका चाटी तो नहीं करी आज तूने? कभी नहीं करना
No,
बेटा.
sir.
हाँ. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश किया तूने. Yes, come on, Pinky.
Hello everyone, my name is Pinky Ulia. Today my topic is my house. My house name is Madhav Bhavan. It is in a Khatipura. There are there are 4 members in there are 4 members live in it. There are 4 rooms in my house, and there is a small hill nearby my house, and there is a small river in my house, and there are there are 7 windows in my house,
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश. Focus कर बस.
and there are 5 fan in it. There are there are 3 coolers in it, and there are many trees in my small garden. There is a small garden in it, and there are there are 2 bathrooms in it. There are one kitchen in it,
Is आएगा ना. There is 1 kitchen in it. कोई बात नहीं. आगे बोल.
and there are big tree nearby house.
एक ही पेड़ है तो इजी लगाएगी ना. थोड़ा फोकस कर ले.
Okay. And there is a bed in it. There are 2 tankies in it,
Water tanks.
water tanks, and there is big water tank in it. That's it.
Very good, शाबाश. Good. चलो ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कोई रह तो नहीं गया? बहुत अच्छा.